training actually. I hope we are the number one in the market. Would have a more than 20 years of experience, especially and to train, and we deployed many candidates in a organization who are all working in a software employees. And I'm feeling so happy. You guys are all, you guys are today came for the demo. I'm so glad actually. Yeah, good. Let me tell you. Any one of you having a kind of some question? Hey Daniel, my name is Daniel. I will give kind introduction also. What is the today session agenda? Best example, sir. We are going for movie. We are going for what exactly? Movie. Only two parts. First half and second half. Am I right? Any three parts actually? No, same thing like that. Today, you guys came for the demo. Total 5 things you are going to discuss, boss. How many things actually? 5 things. Come on. When I'm asking a question, I need a response. How many things? 5 things. Thank you for responding. First was, I will explain when I was a student what happened. It's not like suddenly I became a trainer. It was not like suddenly I became a trainer. I came from sky. It was not like that. I was like you once upon a time. I was a student actually. Those days, what happened, I will explain. And the second point will be trainer profile. Being a learner, best example, not only this course actually. If you are planning for any learning, any course or anywhere, first you should be, please be clear about the trainer profile. Whose profile, sir? Trainer profile actually. And I will explain about my profile. And then after that, we are going to start the data science, AI and Gen AI demo actually. After that, opportunities in a data science. Hey, Daniel, once we are learning about this data science, what about the career opportunities? Can you explain actually? And I'm a fresher. Do I have a opportunities? Otherwise, I already done my graduation. I am having 1 year gap, 2 year gap, 3 years gap actually. Can I get any opportunity? Otherwise, almost 5 years back, I already done my graduation. Currently, I'm working in some part-time job. Yeah, there are many plenty of questions actually. I'm sure I can help you. Every question will be answered actually. What is the last one, sir? Common man question. Generally, during conducting the demo, students used to ask some common questions, right? That I will answer actually. 1 minute. Let me talk with online team. Online team, this is clear, right? Vishal, good question, sir. I will cover, please. Vishnu, I'm sorry. Vishnu, I will cover. I will cover. And I will show you the syllabus, and I will show you what all things we are going to cover actually. Get ready. So the next slide, let's move on actually. What is the next slide? The next slide is before entering into the session. I mean, I supposed to enter into the session, but let me take 1 minute actually. Sir, a couple of promises. Just let me explain about the two promise actually. First promise from my side, I can give a guarantee, I'm sure. Let me promise you one thing before starting the session. Second promise we have to give from your side actually. Get ready for this. What is my promise? Read everyone. I promise you guys, like, you will understand the session. No doubt at all. Either you are from technical background, non-technical background, either you are a fresher, currently studying student, doesn't matter at all actually. I will explain the session in such a way that I'm sure you will understand the session. That is my promise actually. I'm pretty clear. Why? Because, why I'm this much confident, It's not like yesterday I started teaching, I came here, I'm teaching, you are the first batch. No, 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 sir. I do have a sound experience in teaching. Not only experience in teaching, I do have a real-time experience actually. And the both combined means, I'm sure you will see the session today actually. That is my promise. And second promise will be, tell me, sir. Please, just maybe 1 hour before you done lunch actually. Am I right? 1 hour before or 1.5 hours before. Kindly promise me, like, you will not please sleep the during session actually. Will you sleep actually? And one point. If you sleep also, I will not disturb, sir. You can have a nice sleep actually. Are you fine? Yeah, good. Let's continue. Daniel, what is the objective for today's session? What is the main motto? What you're trying to explaining throughout this session? I will make you to understand the power of data science. Power of what exactly, boss? Data science. Let me tell you, there are plenty of courses in the IT sector. Like, in market, if you talk about Naresh IT, even Naresh IT is providing lot of courses actually. Among all those courses, what is the specialty for the data science? I'm sure I will make it today actually. I mean to say that the objective for today's session will be the power of data science. I will explain very clearly. And before entering into the session, can somebody tell me what is that? Tell me, sir. Zero actually. Sir, let me consider all you guys are from zero level. What level? Zero level. Any one of you may say, today one student came for the demo. He don't know anything. That is okay. One more student, Ari Daniel. I already know 50% data science. I already watched it in YouTube actually. Second category. Third category. I already know end-to-end data science. And third category, Ari boss, whoever you are, doesn't matter actually. Let me consider all you guys from what exactly? Zero. Then that it will be helpful for you actually. Guys, are you with me or not? Yeah, let me consider everyone from zero actually, so that I know very well where I need to start actually. If you already know, then that's really good. You can just try to understand what is going on actually. Team, are you getting everyone? Yeah. Last, is my voice is clear? Good. And visible, right? It is visible. All right, good. Let's start. Come on, sir. Uh, Turn back moments actually. When I was a student, even I didn't explain about my introduction also. Now I'm starting about my introduction. When I was a student, yes, let me explain short, short story in my life actually. Sir, I am done my graduation in the year of 2010. Madam, listen carefully. I have done my graduation. Especially, I have done MCA. What I have done? MCA. Either MCA, BTech, BSc, BA, BCom. If anyone joined for today's session, first point, all you guys are eligible to learn the data science actually. And let me tell you, yes, in the year of 2010, I done my graduation. I mean, almost one decade before. Am I right? Good. Sir, when I done my graduation, I do have a strong desire. I mean, I do have my aim actually. My strong desire will be, boss, I wanted to become software engineer. What I wanted to become? Software engineer. So when I was studying MCA, basically I'm from Andhra. I will explain my profile also. My base location is a Bangalore. When I was studying, I used to dream like I used to work with computer, wanted to work in a software company. These are all things. Yes, yes, come on. Welcome, sir. You can take a seat. Good. Can somebody tell me what is my dream, sir? I wanted to become software engineer. But let me tell you, though I wanted to become software engineer, frankly speaking, and I will be very, very open actually, I don't know the path, sir. I don't know how to become software engineer actually. But those days, I do have one of my senior number actually. And I called to my senior. In the year of 2010 story, I'm explaining actually. And I asked, Anna, I done my graduation. I wanted to become as a software engineer. Can you please suggest me? Can you please what exactly suggest me what I need to do? I don't know any other person blindly will follow you. I told the same thing actually. Then he suggested a few courses, sir. He suggested what exactly? Few courses. What all courses, When he suggested, tell me, which year? 2000? One more time. Which year? Last time. Which year? Remember that. Why I'm repeating 2010, what is the current year, sir? You remembered, right? Yeah, thank God you remembered actually. In the year of 1 decade before, one of my seniors suggested, what is the first one? C++, Java, Bava. I mean, some other courses he told, Ari boss, learn these kind of courses actually. .NET, HTML, these are all courses. Sir, seriously, I have chosen one course actually. When my senior suggested, I have chosen one course and I started learning actually. And frankly speaking, one point I would like to say, not only choosing the course, I started like you only. How you guys joined for the course? I joined actually. Basically, I'm Hyderabad student. I'm Hyderabad. I learned all, IT courses in Hyderabad only in Amirpet location. One point I would like to say, sir, not only joining for the course, one point I would like to say, I am very good in practice actually. Remember this word. Who are all joining for today, data science course actually. I am very good in practice. Why practice is important, sir? Practice only helps you to get a job actually. Yes, though I am very good in a practice actually. Finally, I got a software job. After a few months, I got a software job actually. Sir, you know what? Getting a job is a life turning moment for me actually. Even when I done my graduation, immediately I didn't get a job. I do have a gap actually. There are few years I didn't get a job, sir. I do have a gap. Then I learned such a nice course actually. I done nice practice. When I don't have a job, I went to my native and I hope, parents cannot say anything. There are neighbors. What exactly, man? Neighbors actually. They used to tell, Arey man, you are eating idli, chapati, idli, vada, these are all. When you will get a job, these guys will start a discussion actually. Am I right? I hope if any one of you facing today that kind of situation, don't worry, sir. We'll get a good days actually. Anyway, when I get a job, that literally feel amazing actually. Now let me tell you why I'm explaining these are all things, We are in 2024. We are in what exactly? If anyone of your senior suggested, Arey boss, go for C, C++, Java, I'm sorry for saying, those are all legacy, outdated actually. I'm not degrading anything, but let me tell you, as per the current market, what is the current cutting edge technology, Can you please hold on? If anyone is anyone is learning C, C++ actually nowadays, the most of the student answer will be no. Out of 100%, I would like to say, 10 members unknowingly they are learning. Unknowingly, they don't know the path actually. But remaining 90 members, they are doing some R&D and they are learning such a nice course actually. Right, good. Now, are you ready? Let's understand the best course for the good career path actually. Are you ready? Yeah, good. Let me talk with online team. 1 minute. Online team, can I get a response, please? Online team, I just need a response, please. 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Good. Let me drink water too. A small announcement. Small announcement. Let me take this one. And let me just try to open the running notes for today. Kindly please hold on. Let me open for this running notes. Good. So the running topic is a data science demo. Online team, a small announcement for you. Kindly please hold on. In online, along with us, admin team also would you have? Admin team actually. Admin team. They have sent kind of some WhatsApp link actually. Kindly please, join in this WhatsApp group, a kind of some community to get all updates actually regarding the course. These are all things. You can just try to connect with those things. Admin team, I hope I have shared. Do I need to share any other thing? Admin team, are you with us? Alrighty, good, good. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's continue. Yeah, we are starting, sir. Thank you. Thank you for being patient. See, let us start. So let us understand what is the best course for a good career path actually. What is the best course for good career path? Team, no doubt at all, the best course is the data science. Best course is what exactly? Data science. Though I'm a trainer, I can tell no doubt at all. I will tell data science only. But you also have to believe. What is the belief? If a person is telling, I know you may not believe actually. You yourself just try to Google it, sir. I hope you know the Google, right? You know Google? Please tell me, you know or not, sir? Yeah, just try to text a message. Is data science, can somebody ask me what I'm typing? Is data science good career path or not? I'm asking good actually. What Google is saying, Arey boss, it is a fantastic career. It is what exactly? I will prove today. There are many courses. Why this is the best course actually? Let me tell you. Let me tell you. And for your kind information, yeah, this point I can tell later actually. If you're asking to Google, Arey boss, is it really good career path or not actually? Data science is the fantastic career path, tons of the potential future growth actually. It's the right time. Come on, get ready. Being a learner, the first today feeling, being a learner, you all guys came for the demo. Today is the first today actually. I have let me tell you, sir. When I came to Hyderabad, first today I joined for the course actually. What is my first point? I have a strong desire to learn the course actually. Why? Because I need to get a job. My parents are dependent upon me. My cousin brothers are dependent upon me. I should get a job actually. That is my strong desire. But I do have a lot of questions. Though somebody suggested me, I came here. NareshIT given one seat actually, but I do have a lot of questions. What is my question here? First one is a course related question. Next one is a trainer related questions actually. Next one is what exactly, sir? Career related. Yeah, good. Let me list out a few questions. The first question will be, how data science helpful to make a team? Listen carefully. If anyone joined today's the session, first question you have to cross question yourself. How data science will helpful in my career? That's what you should get answer actually. First one. Are you clear? What is the first question? How it will be helpful. Second one will be, is trainer fulfill my learning desire or not actually? That is important. Let me tell you, the one who is standing and teaching, frankly speaking, that matters actually. That matters. Is trainer, I have a desire. 50% of the desire fulfillment depends upon the trainer, sir. Frankly, I'm speaking actually. And the third point will be, tell me, third point is, come on, read everyone. I hope you know English actually. Very good. For your kind information, I don't know Hindi. I know only English and Telugu. If you want anyone, you can ask questions in a Telugu also. Sir, I'm sorry, Hindi, I don't know. If you scold in Hindi also, I can laugh actually. I'm sorry. You can use English. You can use English. And I'm happy. If anyone, ఎవరైనా తెలుగులో క్వశ్చన్ అడగాలంటే అడగొచ్చు. Feel free and comfort. Sir, I'm not like a headmaster here. I'm standing. You have to be silent. It was not like that. Feel free. Feel free. And it should be technical discussion. Not like a, have you done lunch, breakfast? These are all. No, no, no. Please, come on. Third point will be, is trainer teach and reach to the learners? Team, still I remember a faculty, my 10th class faculty, and his name is a Sodakar sir actually. There are 10 members, 10 faculties, but I remember only one faculty name. Why? Because, man, the way how he explained the subject, that really matters actually. The same question, if any one of you having, the trainer really teach and reach, I will show you. I will show you. Will it really reach and teach? I will show you actually. What about his real-time experience? You should understand the trainer having how long real-time experience you should understand. Last one is what exactly? Man, out of all these points, the last point is seriously super point actually. Daily the session is going on. Definitely for you, material is required actually. What is required, sir? Material is required. I have prepared a separated material. Every day that material I'm going to share with you, which is a PDF format. What format, sir? Maybe during the demo, I will show you one sample material. I will show you. You will get an idea actually. Team, are you getting your one? Come on, you are following right, everyone. Guys, you are following right? Yeah, come on, come on. Now it's the right time. I need to introduce about myself actually. Sir, my name is Daniel. My name is what exactly? Daniel. That is not important interview question, but you should remember actually. Though the batch is currently working as a lead data scientist in one of the top MNC company. I'm working as a lead data scientist and one of this, top MNC company. I do have a 13 years of experience in IT. How many years? 13 years, sir. I done my graduation in the year of 2010. I got a 13 years of experience. Around 1 year, I don't have a job. I know the pain actually. If you don't have a job, how much pain, I know, sir. I know the jobless and I know empty pockets pain. I know empty stomach pain actually. I'm like you only. But try to understand. Teaching experience. Sir, I like teaching very well. Once I get a job actually, and in my free time, I used to teach. Currently, I'm doing a permanent work from home. I hope you know Corona situation, am I right? Do I need to introduce what is Corona, COVID actually? Not required. I hope you know very well. After Corona, completely I got a permanent work from home option. Then I shifted to Hyderabad location, and in my free time, this is in my free time. I'm a teacher and preacher actually. I will tell you later on. Teaching experience, I do have 8 years of experience, and there are 2 websites. I am very much active. I'm very much active. First one is what exactly? Stack Overflow. Everyone need to read. What is that, sir? Stack Overflow. One more time. Perfect. Being a data scientist, you should know what is a Stack Overflow, that I can explain. And second one will be Kaggle website. Kaggle, anything you can say. Are you with me, sir? Are you getting? Yeah, good. Now let's continue. This is about my technical stack. Throughout my whole career, actually, sir, I started my career as a Java developer. I'm repeating again. I do have a sound experience in Java. After Java, I worked in a big data, especially Hadoop, PySpark. These are all things actually. I do have a sound experience. And currently, I'm working as a data science. But let me tell you, luckily, if you wanted to work in a data science, actually, you don't need to learn Java. You don't need to learn big data, actually. I will show you the syllabus from directly. You can start, actually. All right, good. Let's continue. Python, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, blah, blah. These are all, I do have a sound experience, sir. I do have a sound experience. If any questions, I'm happy to help you. During the session itself, you can ask actually. Otherwise, yeah, tell me, sir. Tell me. Yeah, good. Let me tell you. Good question. One of our teammate, what is asking, Are Daniel, is big data is important actually? Let me tell you, 30% it is important. Not like 100% actually. And if you want, I will give a small example. Alphabets are how many? Tell me, sir. 26. In last 6 weeks, last every day, I'm using A letter. A for apple. I'm eating daily actually. B for banana. I'm eating daily. But last 6 months onwards, I know the letter, but I didn't use, sir. That letter name is a Z actually. What is that letter name? The point is, yes, of course, big data is important actually, but you no need to be master in that big data. Like a Hadoop, PySpark, I'm going to cover actually. What is required? I hope you got answer, sir. Am I right? Good. What is your name? Nice, Aditya. Now let's focus. Kindly please focus actually. We are going to start the demo. Yeah. Can somebody tell me what is triple W? Nice. Very good question. Worldwide. One more time. Tell me. Worldwide Web. But today, within these walls, today during the demo, I would like to tell, first W means, Harry Daniel, what is a data science? The very first W, I would like to make it very clear. What is a data science? Second one will be, why should we learn? Daniel, can you please explain why should we learn about the data science actually? The third point will be where it is using now. If you understand what, why, then it's a right time. You need to understand where, which industries are using these are all things. Let me drink water online team, please. I'm sorry, sir. Online team, can I get a response, please? Good. Thank you for nicely following. Sorry, Sheikh sir, I don't know Hindi. I'm sorry. If it is possible, you can ask in Tamil also. I don't know, sir. Sir, English. Let us make it English is the barrier between us actually. Okay. Good. Let's move on. So the very first one, what is a data science? Come on, sir. Let me repeat one more time. So it's a right time. What is a data science? You need to understand. What is the first one? Sir, if you're asking, hey boss, where you are living? I can tell I'm living in Hyderabad. If I call to my friend, I'm asking where you are living. He can tell Bangalore actually. I mean, I do have different friends, Hyderabad, Bangalore, different location. But technically speaking, we are all living in data world. We are all living in where exactly? Data world. Team, knowingly or unknowingly, I'm sure everyone is generating the data. What you're doing, sir? Generating the data. Let me give one nice example. I hope everyone having smart mobile actually. Am I right? At least I'm not asking iPhone, Android mobiles everyone having actually. Am I right? Today, who are all came here? If I ask raise your, who are all don't you have a mobile actually? I'm sure the count is a zero. If I ask a question, raise your who are all having the mobile, raise your hand. Everyone will raise the hand actually. Sir, if you are having the mobile, get ready. You are generating the data. You are what you're doing? Generating the data. Let me take a general example. Everyone knows about Amazon actually. Am I right? You should know. When you are opening Amazon, so backend, what exactly happening? At what time you log in, data is generating. When you are browsing something, on an average 1 hour, you are searching for one mobile actually. Your budget is the 10,000. Your budget is what exactly? 10,000. 1 hour you are surfing, you are searching. Within 1 hour, you didn't buy the mobile actually. Then you went for lunch. In between, what happened? Sir, you are searching so and so thing, and you get some mail actually. You will get what exactly? Mail or notification. Kindly please proceed for this buying this one. You may like, sir, you know what? Within 1 hour, you generated the data. What you done, sir? Yeah, companies are using that data to do the business. Now, the first statement, what we need to understand, boss, currently we are all living in where exactly? Data. Data world actually. What do you mean by data? You may ask your question. Simple. Data is a collection of facts. Data is what exactly? Come on, tell me everyone. Data is a collection of facts. One more time. Collection of facts. Simple example. Hold on. Simple example. If I collect all your mobile numbers, that is the data. If I collect all your mail ID, that is nothing but data actually. Fact means it can be number, it can be alphabets, it can be alphanumeric actually. Alphanumeric in the sense, alphabets and numbers can be included actually. Like your mail ID, Daniel123@gmail.com. These are all things actually. Tell me, what is your question? Yes, you're right. We need to apply some process, sir. Hypothetical techniques we need to apply. See, though this is the demo, I may not go for the depth actually. But what, yeah, good point. What you're asking that I'm going to continue tomorrow actually. I understand. Good point. Let's continue. Data is what exactly, sir? Collection of facts. Facts, I mean data, the facts can be, it can be numbers. If I say number actually, if I collect all your mobile numbers, that is nothing but the data. If I collect all your mail IDs, that is nothing but a data actually. Remember this one. This point is very, very important. Team, you know what? From the small scale organization to big scale company, every company is generating the data. If you're having smartphone actually, I'm sure banking domains are generating the data. A best example, sir. Best example. You take your mobile. You call to your friend actually. 5 minutes you can talk. Oh, hi, how are you? What is the lunch today? Where you are going? These are all discussion actually. Within 5 minutes, what happened? Data generated. What generated actually? Later on, they will understand. So how to use that data actually. Data. All companies are generating the data. Seems to be how many letters? 4 letters, but it is shaking the world actually. I will tell you how it is shaking. Just a matter of 4 letters, but it is shaking the world. Once companies are generating the data, companies are recruiting data science team. Companies are recruiting what exactly? Data science team. What they used to do, study about the data. What we need to do, sir? Study about the data. Best example, you learn the data science course, you join in a company, you join in a project actually. Then the first requirement is company will give the data to you. Company will give what exactly? Data. That data, very first point we need to study. Study means not like we need to take the lamp actually, first line, second line, third line. It was not like that. There is a separate process that is called as a analysis. What is that process? I will show you one example. You will understand. In a data science, the very first point is study about the data. Study about what exactly, sir? Data. Second point will be to extract meaningful insights actually. To extract meaningful what exactly? Insight. Let me tell you. Go to back 2020, 2020. We are all facing a scenario, COVID situation. What situation, sir? Corona, everyone knows, right? Actually, every day, all companies and social media and YouTube, these are all things what they've done, last to 6 months onwards, how many cases are active every day? I'm sorry for saying how many already passed away, how many already reduced actually. Am I right or not, sir? These are all information where they got it actually. They done analysis. They study the data. They apply data science techniques actually. Once they apply data science techniques, they can extract the information. They can extract what exactly? Information. Information actually. Good. When you're talking about the data science, the very first one, data is available. What is available? Data is available. Second one, if you study the data, a kind of semi-analysis if you're doing, you can gain the knowledge. You can gain what exactly? That knowledge you can apply actually. That knowledge what exactly? You can apply. For your information, I'm telling. Let us take Amazon company. Why I'm telling always Amazon, Amazon company is using data science like anything, boss. Currently, we are in which month actually? Talk with me. July. July 1st today. Am I right? You know, right, everyone? Today, what is the date, sir? July 1st. Almost last how many 6 months happened already? How many months? 6 months. Imagine January 10,000 sales happen. February 15,000 sales happen in Hyderabad. March 20,000 sales are happening. These are all data. These are all what exactly? Data. You know what? Amazon company already know next month how many sales are going to happen. I'm repeating again. Though we are in July, but Amazon company already having the report actually. What is that report? Get ready in Hyderabad location. So and so number of sales are going to happen. How they done actually? Because of the data science. Because of what exactly? Sir, for your kind information, I know who all came for today's session. If you wanted to understand the better way in a data science in one single word actually, by using data science, we can do prediction. Come on, what we can do? Prediction. I hope you know what do you mean by prediction actually. Am I right? Prediction means let's talk about tomorrow. Let's discuss about tomorrow what is going to happen. That data science can do actually. That is the one part, but there is a main important part actually. Not only prediction, many things we can do. Come on, talk with me. What is the first one? Data, knowledge, action. One more time. Data, knowledge, action. Sir, if you have a data, when you are studying about the study, analysis about the data, you can gain the knowledge. You can gain what exactly? Knowledge. Then you can apply the knowledge. You can apply what exactly? Knowledge actually. Good. Let me tell you. All companies are generated using big data, man. In a data analysis, so definitely big data is required actually. I will tell you what is the big data. These are all. Today is a kind of, just to demo, I will explain about quick introduction actually. Actual session will start from tomorrow actually. Actual cinema will start from tomorrow actually. Today is a kind of some demo. These are all companies I hope you might aware. Not only these ones, small scale company, middle company, all top MNC companies, all companies are generating the data. All companies are what they're doing, sir? Generating the data actually. Good. Once companies are generating the data, They supposed to store the data in one location. They supposed to store the data in what exactly? One location. Why they are storing, to do the analysis. Best example, I'm the reputed customer for Amazon actually. Last to 10 years onwards, I do have an account. Amazon already know when I'm going to buy the next item actually. That is seriously amazing. I'm repeating again. Once I generated the data, last to 10 years, imagine I bought 1,000 items, man. How many items actually? Then Amazon company supposed to store the 1,000 items data. I need, Are boss, last 3 months, how many items I bought it? Last 1 month, how many items I am going to bought it actually? They supposed to store actually. Like that, all companies are storing the data. Why they are storing, to do the analysis actually. To do what exactly? Analysis. Here onwards important, sir. Offline team, if you give me 1 minute actually, I can talk with online team just for, all right. What kind of facts? Online team, I hope you're getting, can I get a response? Is my voice is clear online team? Let me hold the session for 1 minute. I can talk with everyone actually. Yeah, it's like a more interactive, sir. Sir, please, online team, if I'm asking a question, please be respond. It's like a dual communication actually. If I'm asking just a question, either yes or no. All right. Do one thing. Let me hold the session for 2 minutes actually. Let me hold the session for 2 minutes. Raise your hand. Who are all freshers actually? Just to recently I done my graduation. Raise your hand. Good. It's okay. It's okay. Cool. Very nice. All right. Thank you. Raise your hand who are all job seeker. Job seeker means I'm looking for the job actually. Last I done my graduation 6 months ago, 1 year ago. Anyone is there? It's okay. No worries. And now my next question will be what? Hold on. Online team. Yeah, I will be very clear, sir. I'm repeating again. End of this session, I will make it very clear. You are a fresher. BA become BSc. These are all doesn't matter actually. Anyone can learn the data science. That I can tell you. All right. Yeah. Good, good, good. Let's continue. Let's continue. Come on. Now let's continue the session. Tim, you know what? By using data science, mainly we can do two things actually. As part of data science, there are many other stuff, but there are mainly two things actually. First one is by using data science, we can do some analysis about the past actually. Past and future. Can you tell me what is the first one? Past means already happened situation. Future means what exactly? Prediction. Future means what exactly? Prediction. Let me tell you. If company having the data, if company having what exactly? Data. Let me take Amazon data or else Reliance data actually. iPhone company data. You can take any kind of data, Airtel data, any data actually. When you're talking about the data science, it can talk about two things especially. Boss, explain the past. Explain about what exactly? Past. And predict the future. Predict what exactly? Future. Let me tell you. In the year of 2020, imagine July 1st exactly. Almost 5 months is already done. Everyone is talking about the COVID actually. Like a corona. First phase, second phase, these are all things actually. I'm taking about COVID data. What I'm taking actually? COVID data actually. When you're talking about the COVID situation, two things you need to remember. First one, till now what happened, I wanted to know. What happened in the sense, what exactly, sir? So how many active cases? Am I right? How many active cases? How many passed away? How many death cases would you have? How many cured actually? What are all using which kind of machine? Which kind of medicine actually? These are all drug category. Explain about the past. By using every person having the three things. First one is past, present, future. Tell me, sir. Past, present, future. Same thing like that. When you're talking about the data also having two sides actually. It is having already past history. And if you do some analysis, what is the second one? Predict the future. Now, what we need to understand is from this slide, by using data science, you can do two things, man. Come on, by using data science, how many things we can do? Two things. First one, explain the past. First one is what exactly, sir? One more time. Explain the past. Very good. After explain the past, what we can do, you can do the prediction for the future. Let me tell you one small secret here actually. If you wanted to talk about tomorrow, first of all, you should know last 1 week what happened actually. Are you with me or not, sir? I'm repeating again. By using data science, you can explain the past. Hey man, let me tell you, all business owners, Sir, they never think about the today. Let me take Amazon owner. Do you think he can think about today actually? No, 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 no. He can talk about tomorrow. Already Amazon owner having the report actually. Tomorrow, how many sales are going to happen in Hyderabad location? Next 1 month, how many sales? Next 1 quarter, how many sales? In 2025, how many sales actually? Trust me, this is fact actually. By using data science, we can do. That's what data science job is really hot cake actually. So I hope you understand. There are two things actually. Explain about the past. Second one is what exactly? Predict the future. Sir, explaining the past is called as a analysis. Explaining the past is called as what exactly? Analysis. And predicting the future is called as a modeling. You can also call as a model actually. Come on, one more thing. Explain the past is called as a analysis. Also called as a data analysis. Also called as what exactly? Data analysis. Predicting the future. How you can do prediction, by using modeling. In a data science, there is a one topic actually, which is very important, like a human body. Imagine there is a hand injury, a person can survive. There is a leg injury, a person can survive. But there is a heart injury, a person cannot survive. Same thing like that. Data science also having one core topic actually. The topic is called as a machine learning. What is the topic, sir? By using machine learning, you can do the prediction. Modeling in the sense, by using machine learning, you can do actually. That we are going to teach. You will become expert actually. No doubt. End of this session, I will show you the syllabus actually. Yeah, good. Hey, Daniel, we understand very clearly. When you're talking about the data, two things actually. Explain the past, predict the future. Explaining the past is called as a analysis. Predicting the future is called as a very nice, man. Very nice actually. Can you give me one example? Sir, I can still take real-time example, but you're all, as I told you, let me consider you're all from which one actually? Zero. Though you guys are zero actually, let me explain the best example for your better understanding. You know what? In my neighbors, basically my father is a church pastor actually, but before church pastor, and my father was a farmer. My father was what exactly farmer? We have a 1 acre land initially. For 1 acre land, we used to yield 10 rice packets, is assuming that. How many rice packets, sir? Don't say, Array Daniel, my father also farmer. 1 acre, 20 supposed to get, why you are getting 10 actually, please. Don't ask this kind of question. Just for fun, I'm telling actually. Tell me, for 1 acre, how many? 10 rice packets. My neighbors, my uncle having 2 acres. How many rice packets, sir? 20. My, neighbor, again, auntie actually, having 3 acres. Tell me how many? 30. Sir, till now what you done, you done analysis. You done what exactly? Can I ask a question? For 4, how much actually? That's called prediction. That's called what exactly? Prediction. Did you understand or not, sir? Yeah. By using data science, what we can do, first we have to give the data to the data science. It can do the analysis actually. Here onwards, you can ask a question. Your data science can respond about the future actually. About what exactly, sir? Future. Now, you need to understand two things. By using data science, two things we can do. How many things? Two things. First one, explain the past. Explain what exactly? Past. Second one, predict the future. Explain the past is called as a analysis. Predicting future is called as a modeling. Nice. Very nice actually. Right, good. Now let me tell you. Sir, prediction is not that much very simple. Let me tell you, prediction. Prediction is not like, imagine when I was in youngster actually. Just imagine there is a scenario. I was unmarried. I came to, can I compare data science means what exactly? Astrology తెలుసా మీకు? Astrology. జాతకం చెప్పేవాళ్ళు అంటారు కదా. You can go to the astrology, being youngster, you can show your hand. Where is my wife? You can ask actually. Otherwise, I'm sorry for getting, sorry for telling, kind of, we wanted to know future what is going to happen. Same thing like that, every business company, they wanted to know, upcoming, either it is a profit or loss actually. If it is the profit, how to increase the profit? If it is again profit, how to increase actually? But if it is the loss, do you think how to increase the loss actually? No, 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 no. Exactly. That's what, very good actually. Nice. Good. In a data science, first of all, deep understanding about the data. What is required, sir? Deep understand. Yeah, good. So act of seeing into situation. Imagine first bulb is talking about January. Second bulb is talking about February sales actually. And the next March month sales. Suddenly, when you are seeing all these things, there is a 1 month more sales happen. What happened, sir? More sales actually. We have to stop and we have to do small analysis. Okay, more sales happened, right? What is the reason? Maybe you have given more offers actually. Reason number one. Maybe during that month, any festival actually. Or else people are liking that product more actually. This is analysis. Which month less sales also you need to analysis. I mean to say that by using the data, what we can do, deep understanding, act of seeing into what exactly situation. When you done analysis, what we can do, get ready. March, there is a festival. December, there is a festival, a kind of some Christmas actually, a kind of some other festival. If more sales are happen, every year they will target about the same month actually. Why? Because, sir, to get the more sales. To get what exactly? More sales actually. That's what you need to understand. In a data science, the very first step is collect the data. That is called as a data collection. That is called as what exactly, sir? Data collection. Being a data scientist, we need to even on daily base, my the day task from the collect the data. Once I log in my office system, I need to collect the data actually. The data is available in the cloud. I need to collect the data. Then I need to start the process. Good. Data collection. Once I collected the data, it's the right time. We need to analyze the data. That is called as a data analysis. Team, today is just a theory. You joined just on an average 30 minutes before actually. Suddenly, I may not show you the real-time project. Day by day, slowly by slowly, you will understand actually. Are you with me? Though this is just a theoretical session, you need to understand actually. Can somebody talk with me? What is the first one? Data collection. One more time. Perfect. The next one is a data analysis. Once we collect the data, we need to analyze the data. Hey, what do you mean by analysis? Don't think too much. Let me tell you. Data collection means I have given 1 to 10 numbers, man. How much I have given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The 10 numbers is nothing but the data. The 10 numbers is nothing but what exactly? Data. What do you mean by data analysis? From the 10 numbers, tell me minimum value. 1. Analysis operation. Tell me maximum value. 10. Tell me the total how many values? 10 value. Tell me the total sum actually. 55. Tell me even numbers. Even numbers. 5. I'm asking number. Chappandaya. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Sir, these are all analysis operation. If you have the data, apply the operation. These are all analysis operation actually. We can do. Seriously, we can do actually. And data visualization also we can do. A kind of some data analysis visualization. Data visualization like a Power BI. We are going to cover that one. Matplotlib, Seaborn, these are all things. Back to the session. By using data science, what we can, predict the future. Predict what exactly? Future actually. Future. That is seriously very. Sir, especially, I'm going to entering into the session. Another 10 to 15 minutes. Seriously, very interesting actually. Till now, are you clear? Can I get a question actually? Till now, are you clear? Online team, I just need a response. Yeah, math we are going to cover, sir. Don't worry. I'm going to take responsible. Sir, I will go. First to tell me what is my name actually. I will tell you, sir. Don't worry. Good. Oh, okay, okay. Online team, repeating again. The session is two type actually. One is offline mode and online mode. Offline session is KBHP location. It's not like a Amirpet location. It is a KBHP location near to the metro actually. Okay. Samir, I can cover that point. If you are giving another 10 to 15 minutes, actually, I will talk with everyone if you are having any questions, actually. Come on, let's move on. The next slide is what exactly, Good. Sir, imagine, let me tell you. Imagine I'm having my own startup company. Just imagine. If I started using data science in my company, frankly speaking, that is the organization profit actually. Indirectly, that is profit for me. That is what exactly? What kind of profit I can tell? If you are using data science, AI, Gen AI, I will tell you the difference. AI, Gen AI, these are all things. Indirectly, that is a profit to whom actually. Can somebody talk with me? Organization. Sir, there are many domains are using data science. Let me talk about what is the first one? Healthcare. Healthcare domain actually. Healthcare, especially in a, I'm sorry. 4 years back, I worked with one company. Company name is called as a Cerner. CERNER. Completely healthcare data actually. There the main motto will be next year how many diseases will come, especially fever, how many people, a kind of some different diabetes, how many people will come. If it is a fever, what kind of drug they use actually, how to update the drug for the upcoming set, scientists. These are all things actually I can talk. Next one is what exactly, sir? E-commerce domain. E-commerce means Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra. These are all things you know more than me, I guess. Actually, am I right or not, sir? E-commerce, online shopping websites. Actually, what is the next one? Banking domain, telecom domain, social network. ETC means, do you think domain name actually? No, 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 sir. Extra. Not only that one, many other domains actually. Good. In a healthcare, how the data science it is helping, sir? Cancer prediction. What prediction? Man, this is important. I'm not sure either you know or not actually. Cancer, you cannot identify initial stage. Almost if it is done second stage, third stage, fourth stage, then only you can recognize actually. But if you collect the patient's data, if you do some small analysis actually, you can do prediction which patient is suffering what kind of disease actually. You can do prediction before only, before entering into your body only. That's what you need to understand. I mean, entering into your body in the sense it is already entered, but it is hidden part actually, that you can do cancer prediction. Next one is what exactly, man? Brain tumor detection, drug discovery, many of others. Drug discovery, many of others actually, not only this one. Next one, e-commerce company, product recommendation. What is the first one, sir? Product recommendation. I will explain here one small story. When I was in childhood actually, basically I'm from village. My native is Kaiklur actually, near to Vijayawada, Andhra. Basically I'm from Andhra Pradesh. I'm from village. My mother started buying bangles, and there are bangle sellers. I hope you know. Bangle sellers are available. They used to go to the road actually. They will tell, we are bangle sellers, bangle sellers. My mother called one person, and my mother is ready to buy 2 dozen bangles. How many dozen bangles? 2 dozen bangles. This was happened in my childhood actually. I mean, those days I used to go to the school, nikkaru, shirtu వేసుకుని school కి వెళ్తాం కదా. Those days actually. Then the bangle seller suggested one thing. What he told, madam, if you buy 3 dozens actually, if you buy how many? 3 dozens, you will get a 2 face stickers as a free. Can somebody tell me you will get what exactly? 2 face sticker. Tim, let me tell you why I brought the discussion. Olden days, people used to recommend the products. Am I right or not? Olden days, people used to recommend, sir, you can go for this one. This is really good actually. But open Amazon, you done 1 hour searching actually, you are buying for any product actually, but automatically below you can see the recommendations. You can do what exactly? Sir, that is the data science. All e-commerce companies, they are using data science to recommend the product actually. To recommend the product. That is real amazing. Next one is a sales prediction. Every company owner, they wanted to know next day how many sales, next 1 week how many sales, next 1 month how many. Man, this is the never ending story actually. Everyone wanted to know what is going to happen tomorrow. That we can do prediction actually. Sir, prediction in terms of the business. If you are from hostel actually, sir, tomorrow what is the curry? Either sambar or dal actually, not this kind of prediction. I'm repeating again. It's a kind of some business, customer segmentation. You can group the customers, like, the based on age wise actually, based on the garments, what type of class you're buying. These are all things. Man, not only these, many of them, finance domain, government, oil, gas, web industry, transportation, these are all retail, many industries are using. Now get ready to understand. To become as a data scientist, these are all we are teaching, and you should have these are all things actually. What is the first one? A basic math you should be. I'm repeating again. If you wanted to become as a data scientist, you no need to do the PhD in a math actually. Even if you are from non-math background also, don't worry. We are going to cover math also. We are going to cover what exactly? Math. Sir, one point I will tell you. Either you join or not, just to try to attend my session, 7 sessions actually. How many? I will not ask a 70 session. I will not ask a 7 week sessions actually. Just attend 1 week session. Then you can decide. Then you can decide. No one never force actually. We are living in India, means independent country. What country? If anyone is forcing, hey, join, hey, join. No, no, no. You yourself take the decision. If you give me 1 week session, I'm sure you will understand. You will become as a programmer. Just within 1 week actually. I will make you in such a way that. Okay, good. Raise your hand who came for the reference actually. previously already our students referred for today me. Anyone came like this actually? Online team? Like your other batch students referred me. What will be the package range? I will tell you, sir. I will tell you. Can you please be patient? See? Yeah, come on. I will not take much time. Basic maths important, programming skills actually, very, very important. Statistics important, the knowledge about the data, machine learning, data visualization. Sir, not only these, few more other topics also. For your better understanding, I will tell you, everyone done 10th class actually. Am I right? Yeah, 10th class, how many subjects, sir? Same thing like that, data science also group of subjects actually. Subject number 1, subject number 2, subject number 3, like that more than 8 subjects would have. All those subjects we are teaching. All those subjects we are teaching. Are you with me? Yeah, good. Now let's continue. Hey, Daniel, to become as a data scientist, can you please show me what is the path actually? Sir, if you wanted to become as a data scientist, first, I can say within 4 weeks, how many weeks actually? Within 4 weeks, you will become data analyst. First, you should become as a data analyst actually. That it will be happen within 4 weeks actually. Then after a few weeks, you will become data engineer. Come on, talk with me. What is the first one, sir? Data analyst. One more time. Very good, sir. And no, slow. Please slow actually. Yeah, data analyst. Second one is what exactly? Thank you, man. I scared actually. What is the second one? Data engineer. If you joined our course, sir, this is the process. It's not like, let me tell you, when we are all in graduation, tomorrow is the exam. Imagine tomorrow Monday is the exam, otherwise Wednesday is the exam. Generally, what is the pattern? One day preparation. I mean to say that one day batting actually. I'm sorry for saying this. Am I right or not, sir? Sir, sorry. Data science is not like that. First of all, I'm repeating. If anyone is thinking, sir, this night 9 p.m. I will start actually. Tomorrow morning 3 p.m. I wanted to become as a data scientist. Highly impossible, man. It is the process. You have to walk through. It takes few days, few months actually. After that only you will become as a data scientist. Okay, kindly please understand. Hey man, I came from your position only, sir. I know, being a fresher, and for your kind information, can I tell actually? I done my graduation in the year of 2010. I'm an average student. For your kind information, if you check my all 10th class, intermediate, that too I'm from Telugu medium background. I will tell you. Maybe I will explain about myself also. Maybe one day during the session. I'm an average student in terms of the academic actually, but not technically. Once I done my graduation, I was very serious about my career actually. I have taken really nice suggestion, nice decision and suggestion. I wanted to become software engineer. Now I became and I'm ruling actually. In terms of the technical, frankly speaking, we are the masters actually. Sir, in your academic, how you done, what you done, that doesn't matter at all actually. All of my college toppers actually, they are not a data scientist. But can I tell one more point? A average student having a lot of time, sir. If you really use that time very nicely, I'm sure you can shape your career like anything actually. Okay, good. Let me continue. Let me continue. What is the third one? Tell me, sir. ML engineer. Not only ML engineer, after that DL engineer is available, NLP engineer is available. Those are all hidden part actually. First one is the data analyst actually. Second one is data engineer. Third one is ML engineer. So throughout the data science, not only ML engineer, deep learning engineer, NLP engineer, Gen AI, these are all. What is the first one? Collection means data collection. What is the first one? Data collection. Next one, cleaning. What is the next one, sir? Cleaning. Third one is called as a EDA. Third one is a EDA. What do you mean by EDA? Explanatory data analysis. One more time. Collection, cleaning, explanatory data analysis. Next one is a model creation, also called as a model building. Next one is a model deployment. What is the next one? It's a very simple snapshot actually. If anyone is asking, Are boss, you went for today demo, right? And do let me know what we are going to learn actually. To become as a data scientist, data analyst is required, data engineer, ML engineer, in between the DL engineer also is available, NLP engineer also available. I'm going to teach. And a collection to model deployment, these are all things you need to understand. Sir, for your kind information, if you wanted to become as a data scientist, imagine you already become as a data scientist. On daily basis, you need to work with the data. On daily basis, you need to work with what exactly? data, something like this actually. And now throughout our course, this is the main important components actually. Tomorrow onwards, tomorrow actual session will start actually. Tomorrow the actual session is a data science fundamentals, a kind of some basics. If you wanted to become as a data scientist, there are some fundamentals you need to understand that I am going to start tomorrow actually. Next one will be Python programming. Data science you can do different programming languages actually, but we have chosen Python. Yes, of course our programming language is available, Java is available, Scala is available, other programming languages also available. Maybe in another 2 days we are going to start Python. How many days, sir? 2 days. During that time I will tell you why only Python, Daniel, why not other programming language. I will tell you that one also. Team, are you with me? Yeah, good. The next one will be the data analysis, data visualization, maths actually, and ML, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, CV, industry updates, live projects also we are going to cover. What about the opportunities? Man, there are plenty of opportunities. There are plenty of opportunities, especially for the data science actually. And each data science is easy, career growth and salary. Being a fresher, your salary will start from 4 lakhs package. I cannot say like, 10 lakhs, 20 lakhs. No, no, no. Let me be open actually. Being a fresher, your salary starts from how much is that? Talk with me. 4 lakhs package. Now let me tell you one small point. If anyone having any kind of some gap, come on, listen carefully. This point is important. Are Daniel, I done my graduation in the year of 1946 actually. Just imagine. 4 years back, 5 years back. But unfortunately, that's okay. It happened. That's okay. Happen is happen. Unfortunately, I didn't get any job. I tried my side actually. Sir, you are the blessed actually. If anyone having gap, you can learn the data science nicely and you can add some experience and you can try. I am very good in that area. And let me tell you, I can suggest in that scenario also how to add an experience, how to enter into the industry also. That is a separate part. I can discuss that one later actually. Sir, there are plenty of opportunities for the data science job with the good package actually. If you are adding a minimum 2 years of experience, if you're trying, get ready, minimum 8 lakhs is the starting package. Minimum 8 lakhs is the starting package. Many of my students got a job by adding an experience. For your kind information, you can take any 100 employees in a company. How many employees, sir? 100 employees. Minimum 65 members are adding an experience and joining in the company. Adding an experience and joining in the company. 65 members, guarantee. I can give that guarantee actually. Okay, that is a separate discussion. The next one, common man questions. I'm sure till now what I covered, you understand actually. Am I right or not, sir? Good. There are some common man questions. Question number 1. Alright, Daniel, what is the prerequisite to learn the data science and AI? Sir, there is no prerequisite. Hey, Daniel, do I need to know C, C++, Java, Python? These are all. No, sir. You should know English actually. You should know what exactly? The course is designed with, I can talk, the starting to, end of the course is English only. ఎవరైనా తెలుగులో అడగాలనుకుంటే అడగొచ్చు. Sir, don't feel shy. Please be open. If you are really very serious, either it is a small question. I like to encourage the asking a question. You can ask question. Nothing is wrong in that actually. I'm happy to answer and in terms of anything actually. There is no prerequisite. I will consider you guys from what exactly, sir? 0, then I will start training actually. This is really great point. Let me consider you don't know anything actually. Previously, what happened, just a previous batch for you, there was a morning batch actually. One guy, I mean, maybe I'm sorry for saying, he's a senior, around some 5 years of industry experience he's having. He told, I'm expert in Python. I'm expert in what exactly? Python. Can you please skip the Python and can you start directly data science actually? No. I do have my own flow. I never skip any topic actually. If any one of you already know Python, and kindly please follow, I will start from the Python sessions actually. Team, are you with me? If anyone is saying I already know Python, please don't teach Python directly start means I'm sorry, sir. You don't join for my batch. That is fine. No worries. You can choose any other batch also. And at NareshIT, it's not like Daniel is the only one of the trainer. No. It was not like that. Would have a 4 to 5 members trainer actually. You can try other batches actually. Guys, are you with me? Good. Now the next point. I don't know C, C++, any programming languages. Still, can I learn a data science? Absolutely yes, sir. First of all, data science is not a programming language. But yes, of course, out of 100, 60% coding skills is required. That we are going to teach. How much percentage actually? That we are going to teach actually. That's what I told previously. 0 level. What level? Let me consider you don't know anything, like a newly born babies actually. Let me consider. Third one, I'm a fresher. Can I learn a data science? Are boss, if you're a fresher, that too learning data science, that too with Daniel actually, I'm sorry. With whom? Man, you are the blessed, frankly speaking. Right? Highly recommended to learn. So welcome to the data science world actually. Being a fresher, just yesterday I done my graduation. Directly yesterday night I booked a ticket actually. I came to the demo. You're a really, amazing candidate actually. Fourth one, I'm already working on different platform. Can I learn actually? Yes, sir. In industry, it would be good to upgrade your skills actually. It's not like a don't stick with one platform. It is the data science really cutting edge technology. Hey, I don't know coding area. Can I learn? I already told actually. We will train you how to code also. We will train you just to 8 days, sir. I'm sorry, just to 7 days. Countdown today date is what exactly? First. Just to give me till 9th date actually. Why? Because Saturday, Sunday. I mean Sunday no session. Saturday we would have a session. Are you with me? Come on, let's continue. We'll train you how to code. If I learn data science, can I get a job, sir? Ultimately, the motto of learning course is to get a job only. If there is no job, నేర్చుకోవడం ఎందుకు sir? Why we need to learn actually? If there are plenty of opportunities. And now let me tell you, definitely you will get a job. There are plenty of jobs are open in the data science. This is really great question, man. When I was conducting the demo, students used to ask a question. What is the question? Good question. Why should I learn with NareshIT? Are Daniel, why should I join institute actually? There is YouTube is available. What is available? Very good. Udemy also available. Coursera is available. Plenty of online courses is available. Why should I learn with NareshIT? Such a nice question actually. Sir, let me tell you. Best example. You can open YouTube and you can start one. What is a Python? You can search actually. What you need to search? What is a Python? Minimum 100 videos will come actually. How many will come? We don't have that much luxury time. Point number one. Otherwise, choose one author. You already started. He already explained what is a Python. You like him, how he explained. Second one, he started programming. What he started? Programming. And he explained like, how to write a program. And of course, you done that example also. Second example, third example. At third example, you are getting error. What you are getting? Sir, the problem with online courses will be no manual support to help you actually. Our Indian academic, our Indian education designed in such a way that learn with the teacher. Learn with what exactly? That is really good pattern, sir. Good pattern actually. If you are learning with us, I'm sure we'd have a mentor support and I will help you on very, high demand actually. I'm sorry. We designed this course with standards and it is more practical oriented actually. It is more practical oriented. Within 1 week, you will see. We have trained many students and currently they are working as what exactly, sir? Data science. And what is the course duration? Sir, it takes 4 months, 3 to 4 months, I would like to say. 3 to 4 months. And let me tell you, session timings. What is the session timings? 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. Session timings never ever change. Never ever change actually. Once you registered for session, I mean to say that 4 to 5:30 till to the last day 4 to 5:30. And here few questions. Hey Daniel, we registered for the course. Due to some personal reason, I need to take the break. Actually, you can take, no worries. And if you want, you can join for other batch also. If you want, you can join for other trainer also. Other trainer also. Tim, I can suggest you one thing. Learn data science only, sir. Either you learn here or somewhere else. I'm sure, that doesn't matter for me. Learn data science one. That is seriously amazing. Okay. Did you understand my session? Thank you for your time. Well, I will talk with you. Hold on. Let me drink water. Hey, hold on. I will show you the syllabus and material. It's a right time. Come on. Look at my screen. Look at my screen, everyone. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let me show you few materials. So let me just try to go back. Which one I can open? Yeah, fundamentals. Come on, look at my screen. Sir, every day you will get 3 materials from my hand actually. Let me open the running notes and here you can see. Every day, daily, you will get the first one is what exactly? Running notes you will get actually. And would have a separate platform that is called as a Google Classroom. And you have to give your mail ID. And from that mail ID, you will get the daily material. First one is the running notes. Next one is the material. Daily wise material. It's not like, next to 3 months we are sharing one day, in one shot we are sharing material. It was not like that. It's like a piece by piece actually we are sharing. And the running notes is the same thing like this actually. On daily basis I will show you. Material is like this. Man, this is something like a sweet and short actually. I'm sure you never ever find any paragraph in my material. This is, handmade material. What is a data introduction? These are all what is a data. A kind of some nice information actually, like a sweet and short. You can easy to understand. This is the free. We are not charging for this material. And do you wanted to see coding related material? Let me show you anything Python. And you can just try to open open list to data structure. Anything is fine. Hold on, sir. This is another material. Daily till to the last today, you will get this kind of material actually. You will understand these are all points, like a bulletin points actually. Bulletin points. Let me show you the programs how I have written. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Look at this example. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like the program we have designed in such a way that in a box, this is the program actually. And what is the purpose of the program, name of the program, output. Man, you will get the best, no doubt in that. Not only this one, can somebody talk with me? This is the regular topic. This is what exactly? Regular topic. Go back, and for this one, there is a separate practice material would you have actually. Open list to data structure. And these are all only programs. Only programs. There is no output actually. We will guide you how to execute this example. We will guide you how to execute this example actually. These are all things you will understand. Are you with me? Yeah, good. This material. And that's what. Yeah, now it's the right time. If anyone having any questions, I'm happy to help you. I can talk with you. Kindly please be patient. See, let me talk with you, sir. First, let me talk with offline team. Online team, let me talk with offline team actually. Demo session, 1 minute. Data science details. Yeah, yeah. In a one shot actually. If you wanted to understand, course name is the full stack data science and AI. And how to register, talk with admin actually. Admin, can you share your mobile number? Admin, I request you. Offline team, you can just try to get the number from the admin. Online team, kindly please join with yeah, sir. If anyone registered only online. If you want, you can join offline also. If you want, you can join offline also. And that's swapping is possible. Trainer name, let me tell you. I'm the one. I will say welcome to the session. And end of the course, I will say all the best for your career actually. It's not like in between one more faculty will come. He will explain ABCD. He will go. Then no, 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 no. That kind of cinema is not available, sir. I'm the one. I'm complete responsible for this batch actually, right? And Daniel, my name is Daniel actually. And the course type is offline and online. The session time is 4 p.m. to what exactly, sir? 5 p.m. Maybe on Wednesday, I can share my mobile number also. Wednesday, my mobile number. I'm not like a CMPM. I'm free only. I can talk with you. Only career guidelines. I'm sorry. Only career guidelines. Not like a have you done breakfast, dinner? These are all things. Not that one. From Monday to Friday, let me tell you. Monday to Friday sessions are regular. Saturday only practice session, man. This is seriously amazing actually. Monday to Friday, whatever I explained actually, Saturday, I will come to the session. We have a lab actually. I will bring you to the lab. You have to come up with your laptop actually. And I will show you how to do the practice. Sir, as I told you, just to give me how many days session, how many sessions? That's fine. 7 sessions is more than enough actually. Later you can decide. Course duration 3.5 or else 4 months also I can say. How to get a material from the Google Classroom. Material access, lifetime access, sir. Do we have lab to do practice? Yes, we do have a lab to do practice. All right, we done for today's session. Sir, did you understand? Okay, thank you. And online team, hold on, sir. Let me talk with online team. Offline team first. Yeah, Chapani. Any questions, Telugu or English, anything you can ask actually. Just give me 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. We done for today demo. I will talk with I will talk with online team. First, let me clarify offline team questions actually questions, right? Kindly please be patient. See, please wait for a while. Wait for what exactly? Bhargavi ma'am came. Yeah, good. Thank you. Wait for a while. Wait for a while actually. All right. Come on. Let me talk with offline team first. Actually, let me clarify offline. Yeah, offline. Any questions, sir? Chapani. I'm going to, yeah, yeah. Can I show you good question, sir? Very good question. Let me show you the material. From starting introduction to, let me open. Hold on. Let me cover especially 530 Python. Yeah. From Python introduction, keywords, allowable example, Python execution flow, variable, operator, flow control, string. I mean, to become as a data scientist, what is required that we are teaching? That we are teaching. No, 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 no. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is, yeah, good. Let me tell you. This is the data science, right? Other course are full stack Python. Then it should be differentiate actually. We are not teaching Django, Flask. Those we are not required first of all to become as a data scientist. Good question. Any other questions? Come on. Chapani. Your name, please. Your name. Yeah, tell me, sir. Yeah, we are teaching. NumPy and Pandas we are teaching. One more. Sir, can I answer? Can I answer one by one? Can I take one by one question? Good. Pandas we are teaching. Pandas we are teaching, and the NumPy we are teaching actually. All right, good. Yeah, tell me which one. Keras library we are deep learning actually. Keras, TensorFlow, PyTorch, these are all nice. Any other questions? Yeah, you can talk. See, one more point. Good, good. Once after the session is done, I cannot run away actually. You can talk with me, and if you are having any questions, sir, 1 minute. Sorry. If you wanted to learn the course, sorry for saying, first point is there is a prerequisite laptop actually. Let me repeat again. Either you should have a laptop or system. That is, you should have. Why? Because this is not like a theory. You come to the session, do the practice, you can listen and you can go actually. And if you don't have a laptop till for 1 month, that is okay. Why? Because I will show you in mobile app actually. I will show you how to practice in mobile also. But further you can plan for laptop. Laptop means don't go for 1 lakh, 2 lakh laptop. On an average, I'm sorry, if you are going for a second laptop, 15K, 16K, you can get a laptop. Don't ask where is the shop name. Are you getting? Yeah, you can try that one actually. You can try. Okay. Don't go for high-end mission. Normal one is enough actually. Normal one is enough. Okay. Any questions? Come on. Yeah, good. Excel is not required, sir. Come again. SQL we are teaching. Database we are teaching. SQL. Any other questions? Come on. Can I know your name? Is it fine? What is my name, sir? Yeah. Hold on. Your name? Banu. Yeah. Sign up. Name, sir. Please keep quiet, sir. Please. No, you won. Aditya. Right. Tell me, sir. Chandu. Good. Charan. Satish. Yeah. Sir, one more time. Okay, good. Boss. Yeah. Thank you, ma'am. Bhargavi. Daniel, actual. I hope you know my name. Right? Yeah. All right. And Flask, we are no, yeah. Model deployment in a Flask. Yeah, let me tell you. If I'm not teaching Flask, means not like a end to end actually. How to deploy the model we are teaching. Flask we are teaching. How to deploy the model till to that certain level actually. All right. It's a right time I need to talk with the online team also. If anyone don't have any question, you can let you go actually. Thank you for attending the demo. And please don't miss tomorrow's session. What is the tomorrow session timings? One more time. What is the time? 4 p.m. to 5:30. 4 p.m. to what exactly? 5:30. And kindly please connect with admin. Admin will help you with the more details actually. Fine, right? Thank you. Thank you so much for coming to the session. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. Thank you. I can talk with you. I can call. Okay. Online team, it's the right time. Kindly please give me another 1 minute actually. Just to give me another 1 minute. Another Online team, I'm sorry. Online team, I'm extremely sorry. I'm back to the session. Till now I spent with offline team. If anyone having any question, I'm happy to help you. Come on, can somebody? Let me answer. Excuse me, sir. Thank you. Make it off. Yeah, I'm sorry. We are not teaching our programming language. We are starting from the Python. Sure. If you give me 1 minute, I can make it unmute and I can talk actually. I can talk. No worries on this. TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, all are included. Darshan, TensorFlow, Keras, not only this, PyTorch also included actually. Can you raise your hand? Whoever wanted to talk actually. Can you raise your hand? Whoever wanted to talk, I can unmute. We are going to cover around some 4 projects, which you can include in your resume. No, Excel we are not teaching. That is not required. Regarding the placement opportunities, uh, let me tell you regarding the placement opportunities. We do have a board students. I'm sorry, turn up volume. We do have a bold student. They are working in a companies and they can share their requirement, and we are sharing the same requirements with you. You can directly try actually. And Siva, let me talk with you. Hello to talk. Yeah, I have given access. Can you please talk actually? What is your question, Siva? Siva, I'm sorry. I have given access. Can you please unmute and we can talk actually? Siva, no response from your side. And let me go to Avinash Singh actually. Yeah, I have given an access. Can you please take a control?
Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Daniel. Yeah. Actually, my question is same like for experienced person, around 10 plus years in IT.
Okay.
Is it right time to switch in data science and with good package?
Yeah, let me tell you. Good question, sir. The point will be, though I hope you already know we need to upgrade our skill set actually. Though if you include in your profile like a data science, trained data science, I'm sure from the current package you can get a minimum 50% hike actually. Minimum I can say. Maximum up to there is a good limit actually.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
good question. Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank
Yeah.
you, sir.
Thanks.
And Siva, I have given an access, but there is no response from your side. I have given one more time. Can you please tell? Arpit, I have given an access. Can you please talk with me? Arpit, if anyone wanted to talk, you can raise your hand. I can give an access.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah,
Am I
Arpit.
audible, sir?
Yeah, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Sir, I have a background of actually gap of around 2 to 3 years, and now I'm trying to get into the IT domain with the data domain jobs. So can I start learning
Sir,
data science?
there are 2 opportunities for you. Let me try to explain in such a way that first one
Yes.
you can learn data science and you can show in your resume like you're trying to data science. And second one will be, as I told during the demo itself, if you take any industry out of 100 members, minimum 65 members, they can add an experience and they can try actually. That channel also can help how to do that.
Yes, sir. So one more question I
Yeah,
have.
please.
So, is there any main difference between data analytics job profiles and data science job profiles,
Yeah.
or we can get a job ready after 3 to 4 months after doing your course for data analyst job role or data science job role?
Let me tell you, this is really good question. Data science, when you're talking about the data analytics, this is already included in a data science. It's simple, sir. If you wanted to understand the difference between data analysis and data analytics and data science, by using data analytics, what happened future only we can understand, but we cannot do prediction. If you need
Yes.
prediction, data science is required actually. Like a model creation is not possible in a data analytics.
So, sir, after 4 months, 3.5 or 4 months after we can build model we can create projects and build model after your course.
Sir, let me tell you, with real-time data, you can do actually. That is really beautiful. That I can take care how to do that. We are going to building the model, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, Gen AI. These are all things actually.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Okay,
Let me walk through the next
thanks.
question. And Archana, I have given an access. Can you please take a control? Archana. Sorry, calling one more time, Archana. No response from your side. Ram, Ram, I have given access. Can you please?
Is my
Hello.
voice audible?
I'm
Hello?
sorry.
Hello.
Archana, yes, tell me.
Yeah. Are you able to hear me?
I'm able to hear you, Archana. Can you please proceed with your
Okay.
question?
Yeah. Very good evening, Mr. Daniel. Well, I'm currently working as a math teacher in Rosary Convent High School.
All right.
So I just came to know about the data science. So will it help me out anyways? Because as a teacher, I'm actually planning to change my career.
I understand. Let me tell you, there are two options actually. If you wanted to still proceed as a teacher, there is a learning data science and you can go for engineering college teaching. That is the first option I can give. Hey, no, Daniel, I wanted to change my teaching profession to. First of all, I can appreciate you. Why? Because, being a teacher, I know, especially how the teacher it will be. If you wanted to enter into the IT, that is still possible. By adding in experience, we can try actually.
Okay.
That's still
Uh,
possible. Yep.
well, like if I have to tell you about my experience, I've already worked for C3S support services, but was a long time back, around 15 years back,
All
because I
right.
was blessed with a child. I had to drop my job.
All right.
There, I worked as an assistant manager. I had my team. We were taking care of back office. So we were dealing with healthcare agencies in
Got it.
New York.
Got it. Proceed with. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah, so that was totally into like strategic account, Johnson and Johnson, Suncor, we used to deal with them. Like the executives there used to carry the jornados.
No.
If
Can
they
I
had
suggest
any
you? I
concerns,
understand. I understand. Can I
yeah.
suggest you? Let me tell
Hmm.
you, though you do have a long gap, actually, that is still possible. What you need to do
Hmm.
is learning the course, and by last 4 years, if you are
Hmm.
having a good gap within last 4 years, the first 2 years you can show as a data analyst actually by adding some EDA project, and the last 2 years you can show as a data scientist. That you can show your profile amazing. That will be a really great opportunity to get shortlist your profile as well.
Okay.
Okay. Actually, I'm sorry. Can I move on with another question? Why? Because, is it
Yeah.
fine?
Yeah. Actually, I
Ram, can you please go ahead? What is your question?
Hi,
Ram?
am I audible?
Yeah, Ram, you're audible. Tell me.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, I didn't have any questions. I just wanted to make sure. So this is the process if you want to talk, ask questions. So we have to request for unmuting.
I'm sorry. Once this, though this is the demo session, that's what we are forcefully you are making to ask actually. But once we started the session, it was not like that. We are free to anyone can ask a question, and anyone can trigger the question actually. Yes, Ram.
Got it, Daniel. Thank you. I
And
just had one last question.
yeah, please.
So looking at the current AI, I mean like ChatGPT and all those applications, is there any possibility that these AI tools will replace data scientists or data analysts in the near future?
No, this is a real amazing question. But let me tell you, even though I would like to tell where exactly tool is required. If there is a manual process like a step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4, all steps, last 4 step is the output actually. Then definitely a tool is going to replace with that one. But data science is not like that. It's not like a steps wise actually. A model creation is required. We need to deploy the model. Prediction will be done by the model actually. You got my point. I mean, so what I mean to say is definitely the human intervention also really required actually. It's not like a data science tools is going to replace with some other things. And let's move on with another question. Good one. Sorry, sir. Tiwari, sir. What is your question? Uchal Tiwari.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, I was curious about everyone is doing data scientist, course right now.
Mhm.
So in future, then it will be a lot of competition also, right?
I'm sure, no doubt in that actually. But let me tell you, even companies are recruiting more employee instead of saying competition. Let me tell you, if you wanted to know, in the year of 2009 or 2010, what exactly happened? The Java is booming like anything actually, and the Java is a completely belongs to the web application create, and almost 1 decade it rules like anything. But where the data is available, then definitely data science is really. I'm sorry, Tiwari. I started my career as a Java developer, then later big data, and now data science. You may ask a question, tomorrow is what, Daniel, actually. Let me tell you, this data science stands forever. Where the data is available, then definitely data science stands forever. But we have to enter into the industry before only. Then if you are getting really good skill, it will be adopted actually. We can move on lifelong actually. Did you answer your question?
Yes, sir. One more question, sir. Are we going to learn about only Python or like C++, Java, everything?
No, sorry. Data science with Python. No C, no C++,
Only
no.
Python, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
and are you teaching about SQL also?
Yeah, database we are teaching. SQL.
Yeah.
I'm teaching, let me tell you, to become as a data scientist, what is required, those are all I'm teaching actually.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Sir, I have given an access. And, Sheikh, sir, can you please take a control? Sheikh. Sorry.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Tell me.
Hello, sir. Are you
Yeah,
audible? I
yeah.
am audible.
You're audible. Yes, please go ahead.
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I have a question.
Tell
After
me.
completion of your course, there is job or job interviews held by the Naresh IT campus for freshers.
No, let me tell you. At Naresh IT, would have a opportunities from the fresher IT. There are openings in a fresher company that companies will come to Naresh IT and kind of some they will conduct the drive. But it depends upon the student performance, how they are performing based on that one only. Sir, simple, sir. By paying the fee, we cannot get a job actually. Ultimately, the practice also really matter. And not only at Naresh IT,
Yes.
if you're from kind of some good cities, there are I would like to say every weekend there are drives are happening. And even
So
my
my
old
question
student.
is, sir,
Yeah, please.
sir, my question is, interviews are held or not for the freshers?
Yes, it is being held by NareshIT. Is it the same question? We done for your question actually. Let me move on to the next one. Raja, can you please tell me what is your question?
Sir, I'm audible, sir.
You're audible, please.
Actually, I finished MSc Computer Science and graduated in 2021, sir. Last 3 years, I don't have any experience. Can I do data science and can get the job?
That's what I told, sir. If anyone, not only you, if anyone having kind of gap, actually, you guys are blessed. You can learn the data science and you can add an experience. Not only adding, you can show in your resume trained data scientist. That still you can try actually.
Okay, sir. Okay. And another question, sir. What is the difference between data engineer and data scientist, sir?
Let me
And
tell you, sir. Let
and
me tell
also
you.
in the base of tools also, I want to know.
Good one. Best example, let me tell you. Company have given the data. With the data, if you wanted to create a model, actually, first feature engineering is required. Like we need to tell what is a good feature, what is the not useful feature. That we are doing by using data engineering, which is by using feature engineering, actually. Right? And when you're talking about the data science, model creation is required, actually. Model creation will be done by machine learning, these are all stuff. Okay. All right, team. And Shravan Kumar, what is your question? There are few questions from the offline team. Let me answer those things as well.
Hello, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, after completion of our class, like we get any doubt, how can we approach you, sir?
Yeah, yeah, good one. I'm sharing my mobile number directly. You can connect with me directly. And not
Like-
only that one. Yep.
Sir, like
We
we
do
are
have a
practicing.
I'm sorry. We do have a virtual mentor support. Like a virtual online team you can do practice directly, actually.
Okay.
So team, we done for today's session. If anyone having any further question, actually, you can kindly please, so I can help you with the, I'm sorry. All right, team, we done for today's session. We done for today's session. All right.